So welcome to our presentation on the stringer stacks, which are, we do static and we do retrofit variable length velocity stacks. So first of all, let's have a look at the R1 stacks, which are 3D printed and give improved mid-range and top end, as well as an improved throttle feel. Similar to the kit or GTYR variable stacks that you can buy, but a considerably lower price. And likewise for the R6 08 to 22, we do 3D printed velocity stacks for the super stock or super sport spec motors. So what about for bikes that don't come with variable length velocity stacks? Bikes like the ZX10, ZX6, the Dix 1000 range, the 600 CBR and the 1005 blade, they do not come with variable length throttle body stacks from the factory. So what we've done is we've created retrofit kit that come with 3D printed stacks and a motor to adjust the height. And this gives you improved mid-range and top end, but also gives you a better throttle feel throughout the RPM range. So what do the stacks look like when they're being used in anger? Obviously you can't normally see this, so we've put a bit of perspex over the airbox to show you. These are fitted to a Motor 2 bike being used in BSB Supersport during the 2021 season. In fact, it was used all season with 0 failures. But it's a nice little demonstration of what the stack looked like when they're in use. So what do you get in the kit that you buy? So first of all, you get a wiring harness to connect the power from the bike to the servo unit and the electronics box. You get a set of 3D printed variable length stacks, and you get the all-important ECU that controls the velocity stacks. And the little green button allows you to test the variable stacks moving in the airbox before you screw down the airbox cover. I guess what you really want to know is what you actually get for your money in terms of improvement in the bike. As you can see from the dyno chart, we've got a significant improvement in the mid-range and the top end. We've got a really nice improvement in the power curve, but that doesn't really tell the whole story, because on a dyno we're not able to ram enough air into the airbox to show the improvements that you would actually get in real-world environments where your ram air is working correctly. We also can't show you the improvement in the throttle response. Probably the best way to do that is to hand you over to Leon Jaycott from buildbase Hawk Racing, who tested the Bellmouth kit recently on a super stock bike.
Can you feel the difference or not?
Yeah, you can feel the difference. I didn't want to say it, but you can actually feel the difference.
Good.
I say, me, you can't feel that something's changing in it. Other than the mid-range from 4 to 8,000.
Linear transition.
It's getting a lot more linear power, and the mid-range is definitely stronger. Areas where I couldn't get the stock to spin or feel like it's got any power, now it's actually gave it some. So like, it helps steer off Gerard's now, because you can actually make it spin.
It up. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Whereas before, this is that flat, you can get 100% throttle where you shouldn't really be able to. Even off the hairpin on the first bit of power here, you can feel the difference from there to like when you short shift second.
Yeah, you see it snaps
yeah,
the
you
wheel
can
up
feel
in
it
both,
snapping and going, but like, I'd say actually it's out the throttle. You see the throttle connection? Yeah. It's out throttle connection, it's better.
Oh, that's good.
That is a good bit of it.
That's good news.
Yeah, I like that. Thank you very much.
Thanks, mate.
Actually, Ray, that's probably one of your best inventions you've ever had.